Good morning, students. How are you all, students? Hope you all are fine. Okay. Good students, shall we come back to our lesson in accountancy, the fourth lesson, ledger accounts. Okay, how to post a journal entry in the ledger account. So almost we have studied, isn't it, how to post ordinary single journal entry. Then the opening entry also we have learned, and some problems also we have done, isn't it? So today we will learn this one. The first part, posting of a compound journal entry. Okay, first you should know what is compound journal entry. Opposite of this compound journal entry is single or simple journal entry. Okay, single entry means one debit and one credit will be there. Okay, one debit and one credit will be there. For example, if the person or the proprietor starts business with cash, what is the journal entry? Cash account debtor to that proprietor's capital account, isn't it? Here one debit and one credit. Now, what is compound entry? I will tell one example. For example, we are paying many expenses on a particular day. Okay, 31st December. Okay, we are paying wages 10,000. Then salary 15,000. Then electricity charges. Okay, 1,000. Okay, so now three expenses the same day we are paying. Okay, here for all the similar nature, it is same nature. Okay, all expenses we are paying using cash. So here on this day we can prepare the journal entry like this. Journal entry. Here date we have to write. For example, 2018. Okay, December 31. Okay, here wages account debtor, salary account debtor, electricity charges account debtor, okay, all these are expenses we are debiting. Then what is credited? To cash account. Okay, we can write various expenses paid. Okay, we will write all the amount here. Then this amount totally we will write here. Okay, here 10,000, here 15,000, here 1,000. So 26,000. Okay, how to post this one? For example, wages account. Wages account. We will write wages is debited. So debit side we need to post, isn't it? That you know. You should write to cash account. Now only we are preparing the wages account. So straight to wages, what is the amount we have to see? Okay, wages how much? 10,000. Okay, that only we have to write here. Okay, the same way salary account also. Salary account to cash account. Okay, amount 15,000. Then electricity charges account. There again debit side. Okay, to cash account. Electricity charges only 1,000. Okay, now cash account. Okay, cash account credited. So credit side we should post. Okay, date, then by wages account. You should write amount. Okay, 10,000. By salary account. 15,000. By electricity charges account. 1,000. Okay, that's all. This is posting a compound journal entry. Okay, if it is compound journal entry, you should know. You should not think that here we are writing cash. So straight to cash account 26,000. That amount we have to write. No, we are preparing ledger account for wages. So wages how much? 15,000. That's all. Sorry, wages 10,000. So that amount alone we have to write here. Okay, students. So hope you might have understood this posting of a compound journal entry. Okay. Now we will see what is balancing of ledger accounts. Balancing of ledger accounts. That we are doing already in some problems. Balancing of ledger accounts. So here that owner or the proprietor, okay, he wants to know the net effect of a separate account. Okay, net effect. What is the total payment or total receipt? Okay, of a particular account he wants to know. So at a frequent interval, maybe a daily or a weekly, monthly. Okay, so they can balance the account. So what is balancing? Here nothing but totaling of amount column, both the sides. Okay, both amount column should be totaled, first step. Okay, then we have to write the larger total in the total amount. Okay, larger amount in the total column we have to write both the side. Okay, large amount will be written on both the sides in the total column. Then we have to subtract that means we need to find out the difference between the two amount. Both the side we are totaling, no? Larger amount we are writing. Now you subtract and find out the difference amount. The difference amount will be entered in the lesser amount column. Okay, how we should write? As if it is on the debit side, we should write to balance carry down. Okay, if it is debit side, if that debit side total more, then credit side we are writing, we should write by balance carry down. Okay, on the credit side. Okay, then next day date we have to use, and we should write this one as by balance brought down. This one is by, so we should write to balance brought down. Okay, when we do the problem, it will be very clear for you. Okay, very simple only. When you do problems, you will understand. Okay, so I think I will show you that illustration. Okay, how it is done. This is compound journal entry. Okay, compound journal entry, you see, one compound journal entry is given. How it is posted. Okay, salaries account, to cash, 15,000. Then electricity charges account. Okay, date, then to cash. Then wages account, to cash. Okay, only wages amount and electricity charges, salaries amount alone we have written. But in the cash account, on the credit side, because cash account is debited in the entry. Okay, so sorry, cash account is credited in the journal entry. So we have to post it in the credit side by salaries account, by electricity charges account, by wages account. Okay, you see the balancing of an account, it is question answer. Okay, so from this video you can mark that one. Okay, that 2 mark question, fifth one, what is balancing of an account. Okay, then what is debit balance, what is credit balance, that is also marked here. Then procedure for balancing an account. Okay, that is also 2 mark question. 2 mark, no, 3 mark. Okay. As we do, we have to write. Okay, don't study by heart all these procedures. Okay, students. Shall we see this, that illustration? See, the same thing what we have done previously. Tamilanban started the book selling business. Okay, 1st January 2018. Following are the transactions took place in his business for the month of January 2018. Past journal entries and post in the ledger account. Started business with cash, opened bank account. Then goods bought from Tamil Nadu Textbook Corporation for cash. Then sold goods to MM Traders for cash. Then purchased goods from X & Co for 15,000 and payment is made through banking. Then sold goods to Y & Co and the payment is received through NEFT. Okay, now first journal entry, see, started business with cash. Cash account debtor to Tamilanban's capital account as usual. Okay, then bank account depositing money in the bank. Bank account debtor to cash account. Then purchases for cash. Purchases account debtor to cash account. Then next one, we are selling goods for cash. Cash if it is coming, to whom we have sold or from whom we have purchased, you should not worry. Okay, we have to use that cash only. So for the selling goods on cash, cash account debtor to sales account. Then purchases and payment made through banking, net banking. Purchases account debtor to bank account. Then sold goods and payment is received through NEFT. So bank account debtor to sales account. See, here they have balanced the account. Okay, only first cash account. Cash account, you see, first one debit. So to Tamilanban's capital account. Date we have written. Okay, both the side. Then second journal entry, cash is credited. So credit side we have posted by bank account. Third journal entry, cash credited. So credit side by purchases. Fourth one, cash debited. So debit side to sales account. Then next one, no, cash. Okay, that's all. Now you see which side is more. Debit side is more. Okay, so we have to write that account, that debit side amount, both the sides. Okay, in the same line. You see, 3,05,000 here and there in the same line. Okay, both the side. Then credit side little, 2,10,000. Okay, so subtract this 2,10,000 from 3,05,000, we will get 95,000. That we have to write by writing the last date of that month. What is the last date of that month? January 31. So 31 you write, by balance carried on. Then the same balance will be written on the debit side. This is called debit balance. If the debit side total is more, we will get debit balance. Debit balance means you should not think about carry down, only brought down. Okay, so to balance brought down 95,000. The same way Tamilanban's capital account. Okay, only that capital is credited, so credit side by cash account only one. So we are writing that same amount here, and here other side also no amount. So you write that 3 lakh. Then what we have to write? To balance carry down. Okay, then by balance brought down. Okay. Then bank account. Here we have bank entries more, isn't it? So bank account, first one January 2nd, depositing money in the bank, isn't it? So to cash account. Then that payment made through for the purchases. So by purchases account. Okay. Then to sales account. That's all 3 items. Which side more? Debit side. So that you write total 2,30,000. Same thing you write that other side also 2,30,000. Find out the difference. 2,30,000 minus 15,000. 2,15,000. That you write by balance carry down. Okay. Then the same next month you see. Next date January 31. Next date is February 1. So here month we have to write and date to balance brought down. Same way purchases account, sales account. Shall we do one problem. Okay, fifth we have completed. Sixth we have to do, isn't it? Sixth problem we have to do. Okay, give journal entries and post them to cash account. Commence business with cash, introduced additional capital, withdrawn for personal use. Okay, only 3 items. Okay, easily we can complete. So we have to prepare the journal entry. So here you have to write first the question number. Okay, what is the question number? 6. Okay, then now journal entry. Journal entries. Then draw line. Only 3. Okay, date, particulars, then LF, debit, credit, rupees symbol we write. Okay. Now first journal entry. First we will write the date. First year. Okay. What is the year? 2016. June 1. Okay. We have written the date. Commenced business with cash. What is the journal entry? Cash account debtor to capital account. Here person's name is not given. So we can write simply to capital account. Commenced business. Okay, that's all. Amount 1,10,000. Okay, first entry. Next, introduced additional capital. Again, same journal entry. Okay, date you write 10. Cash account debtor to capital account. Capital account. Again, what is the narration? Introduced additional capital. Introduced additional capital. Okay, you write full words. Okay, in clearly 50,000. Here 50,000. Third journal entry, withdrawn for personal use. Date is 28. What is the journal entry? Here, withdrawn for personal use, we know that is drawings. So drawings must be debited. Drawings account debtor to cash. Cash is going outside. Okay, cash. You see opposite of this one. Okay. Here we should have debited capital, but they are writing as drawings. Okay, just to differentiate this one. So drawings account debtor to cash. Cash is going out. Withdrawn for personal use. Or withdrawn cash. Okay. 20,000. Okay, now we have prepared the journal entry. Now we have to post them to cash account. They have asked clearly, post them to cash account. So only one account we have to prepare, cash account. Okay, draw line. Okay, both the side. This is the procedure to draw. Okay, here creditor last. Here debtor, this end. Okay, debtor. Now date. Okay, date. then particulars, then LF, then to amount column. Okay, rupees. Again here date, particulars, sorry here JF. Okay, ledger account JF we have to write. This amount column I am writing little bigger, but you will have both the column same column. Okay, JF here rupees. Okay, now first journal entry, cash is debited. So debit side we have to post. Okay, first we will write the date 2008 16 June 1. Okay, to capital account. How much? 1,10,000. Okay. Second entry also debited cash. So to, that date is 10, to capital account. Okay, that amount is 50,000. Okay, then third entry, cash is credited. So credit side we should write. So we have to first write the year, then month, then date 28 by drawings account. By drawings account. Okay, 20,000. Now we will balance this account. Okay, now by writing this one we will come to know this side is more, isn't it? So here we should write one item. Okay, that we have to leave space. So leave little space and draw the line. Here only one column. Here we will write. Okay, double line. Single line, double line. 1,60,000. That is the total. Same total we have to write this side also. 1,60,000. Now you write the last date, June 30, by balance carried down. I will teach you how to balance in the account itself. Okay, without writing these amounts outside, we can balance it. Right, here 0, 0, 0, here also 0, no problem, isn't it? Here we have 2. To get 6, what we have to do? We have to write add 4 along with the 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. Then here nothing, 1. So what is the amount? 1,40,000. Okay. So this amount, this cash account is having debit balance because debit side total is more. Okay. So next date what? June 30. Next date July 1. So we should write. Okay. July 1. To balance brought down. Balance brought down. How much? 1,40,000. Okay, that account gets over. Okay, so you can do this one. 6th problem in your notebook. That is your classwork. Okay, then balancing and all you have to study. Okay, from the book. Okay students, the same thing I will explain in the Zoom app also. Okay, thank you very much.